Toyota has released a lot of new off-road and truck models in the past 2 years, making them the freshest they've ever been. Finally, after a long wait, the 4Runner is getting updated. As expected, the 2025 4Runner shares its base with the new Tacoma pickup truck. It also has the same 278 HP turbocharged 4-cylinder engine as the Tacoma. There is also a hybrid model with 326 horsepower, but we review that one individually. A 278 HP, turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder and 8-speed automatic are standard on all 4Runners. Rear-wheel drive is normal, while full-time 4-wheel drive with a 2-speed transfer case and high and low range is optional. Disconnecting stabilizer bars, a locking rear differential, and an off-road cruise control system are available. The hybrid variant has more off-road features, including manually adjustable dampers, but we review it separately. After testing the new 4Runner, we'll update this piece with driving impressions and instrumented test data. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner can tow 6,000 pounds, which is high for its class. That's 1,000 pounds more than the previous 4Runner and exceeds the Jeep Wrangler's limit. Much of the 4Runner's cabin resembles the Tacoma pickup truck. The dashboard and infotainment are similar. Storage containers are carefully positioned around the inside, and all controls are convenient for the driver. Tacoma lacks 4Runner's optional third-row seat. It'll be tight for adults, but the third row should be useful for kids or tag-alongs. The 4Runner can again be made into a pseudo-convertible by rolling down all 4 windows, lowering the power-operated back window, and opening the optional sunroof. It's not as open air as a Wrangler or Ford Bronco with their roofs removed, but it enables occupants experience nature while hiking. The 2025 4Runner changes most in infotainment and technology. The 2024 model was basic, but the new one is modern.